Today we will show you hidden bars on the outside of the most popular streets in Benidorm town. We start today's video right on the triangular square in Benidorm's city center. From here, we are heading towards the beginning of the British Street towards the famous places such as the Winners Bar and many others, in between of which some less popular bars are hiding. For example, right here we have the Robin Hoods. They have a breakfast, steak, ooh, that's interesting, jacked potatoes, all served with salads. Best British food served here. Homemade pies, $11.50. New Yorker, special steak. That's interesting, actually. We'll see. I wonder if it's actually that good as it stays right here. Obviously, cocktail deals, bucket deals, etc. And there's even a terrace out there. That is an interesting place, and actually quite a lot of international tourists do choose it as their small stop while they explore Benidorm. Madeira Central Hotel is right here nearby. On the last floor, they have a gorgeous terrace with incredible view of Benidorm city, and especially good in the evening when the sun's setting down. It overlooks directly the mountains where the sun's setting, and it's a privileged view. A lot of people want to see. So if you would want to see something that special, this rooftop bar probably is a very good location for this specific reason. Right here we have buses. In front we have a bus stop, the main one, but that's where all the buses usually pass. You can get a bus towards Aqualandia, Mundomar, Albir, Altea, and many other different locations here in Benidorm. So if you're a fan of public transport and you want to discover Benidorm as a local, this is a good way of traveling. Right here next to the Madeira Central Hotel, which is 4-star hotel, by the way, quite popular amongst different types of travelers. This is a good hotel with quite a lot of services, apart from obviously the restaurant at the top and the rooftop bar. It is surrounded by useful services and shops. There are some shops with bags, accessories, souvenirs. A brand new ice cream place that opened up this summer. Ooh, these are cute. I'm a unicorn, but it's actually an avocado. These are cute. You could buy some nice, cute things out here. Obviously, there's supermarkets, like 24-hour supermarkets and Chinese bazaars here about and around. Plenty of people do have a walk here from their accommodation and hence see these places. La Creme here, this is an ice cream shop. They do have a very nice Dubai chocolate ice cream. We love this one. We've tried it out. They have a lot of flavors, traditional ones, less traditional ones, without sugar, without even lactose, a lot of different options. Very, very good ones. On the right side, we have typical Spanish traditional restaurants that do serve rations, tapas, whole meals. Really good ones, such as La Taberna Andaluza, for example. And right in front here is where the Gerona Street, aka the famous British Street, actually starts. From this side of the city. Not a lot of people know that it's the same street where all the nightlife entertainment is happening. Here we have the Belgian bakery cafeteria. Very nice place, very affordable breakfast, nice coffee, very good pastry and snacks. Very nice place for a breakfast, and not only for breakfast, it is open even now towards the evening time. So if you would want to visit something like this, perfect place to go. Restaurants are already open. This is a typical Spanish restaurant, El Mesón. Slightly expensive, I have to say. So if you're not counting the money and you don't care how much you spend, might be a place to go. Although nothing too special, honestly. We've been there a couple of times. Brand new Italian places, grill, pizza, pasta with special offers. Burgers in Burger We Trust, it says on the wall. That's interesting. Burger places. We have Roxanne, quite a well-known bar/pub, I would probably call it. a jug of sangria here costs 12 euros. Let us know if that's expensive, or if it's not the case, we'll read you in the comment section. El Bodegon here on the right side. Before they had a quite cheap menu, but right now it went up in price a tiniest bit. Everything goes up in price due to inflation, sadly. Indian restaurants, the grill and steak houses here nearby. People having some lovely meals. Obviously, there's also, this is called the Burger Saloon. Ooh. Live shows here, brand new bars, by the way. Quick Pick Market. Is it a new place? I feel like it is. The Halfway House. They have breakfast, they have bucket deals, they have drinks, they have cocktails, different types of meals. Quite a lot to choose from. Cheers. People are having a lovely time on the sunshine right now. Tri Sapori, this is an Italian place. The Winners, obviously. This is probably the most famous place here on the British Street, at least on this side. The Winners Bar, quite busy. Quite a lot of people on the terrace. Honestly, just one of these busy, popular places that people tend to go.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Good day.
Some of our lovely subscribers that have met my husband officially. A lot of you actually see him and say hi. Don't be shy. He doesn't bite even though he looks really big. But he's very nice and friendly. So let's continue our walk. From here, from the Winners Sports Bar, we're continuing in direction of the Levante beach. Here, there's some more bars inside of the hotels that are located here nearby. Seven Seas pub looks quite empty, honestly. That is strange. Some supermarkets, these have these ugly t-shirts that a lot of us do not like. Massage places with the spa, as they call it, tattoo studios. Some businesses are closed. Not sure if maybe it's a day off or are they closed for a season already. And from here, we can already see the Levante beach. It's right there in front of us. So if you're wondering and if you're willing to stay somewhere here nearby, it is actually very close towards the beach. So you could easily go walking from this area, from your accommodation towards the Levante beach. Or if you stay on the Levante beach, you could easily visit this area. Quite accessible, within walking distance. As you can see, we are already on the Mediterranean Avenue, which is parallel to Levante beach. There's plenty of pharmacies, nice bars here as well, typical shops. Mango, Zara is nearby. Cheap shoe shop, Danielo Di Luca, also quite close. It's right there in front of us. Different types of Chinese bazaars and 24-hour supermarkets. It's, by the way, pedestrian priority in this area, so cars should let you pass if you are crossing. And here there's always a red light. Unless you're a resident, you're not allowed to pass, because this is a emissions neutral zone right now. And if someone passes and they don't have a permit, well, they'll get a fine. So it's way quieter here from now onwards. And it's nicer for all those people who sit down on these terraces. Here we have the Topo Gigio. Hope I'm pronouncing it right. This is an Italian restaurant / pizzeria, family-friendly place. Very nice one. People do visit it. Let us know if you've had any experience in the nearby places. Sazón Peruano. This is Peruvian food. Never tried it, but we might. Grill restaurant right nearby. There's automatic laundromat right there in front. Mediterranean style place with tapas and a steakhouse all in one. They have a menu of the day of 2 plates plus bread and dessert, 15 euros, 15.90 to be exact. Brand new place for bicycle rental, I Go Rentals. Chinese restaurant that's closed right now. A lot of these Chinese restaurants, I feel like they're out of date already. The Anchor Bar and Restaurant, also a place that some people know but others actually do not, and it's quite a nice place to be. Irish Bar, estimated 2003. Wow, it's been quite a while. It's been more than 20 years already. And some more supermarkets here nearby, obviously, with the drinks and snacks. Sushi place, we've seen that one before, but we're really curious. We might try it out sometime. Some places that are closed, maybe waiting for someone to rent these out and put up a brand new business. And we're right next to the Jolly Roger now. By the Levante beach, the terrace is quite busy with people. It is afternoon, late afternoon time. It's around 3:30, 4 p.m. right now. And this is how it looks like. Before they had cash only sign, now not sure any longer because they took it down. So maybe not. Let us know if you are visitors out here, but people seem to have quite a nice time on this terrace. Some area in the shade, some parts of the sunshine, perfect for both occasions, depending on what you need. People enjoying a lovely sunny day here, which is not going to be for a while now. It's going to be sunny, don't get me wrong, but starting from next week, temperatures do drop. And in some parts of Spain, it's even 18 degrees less than what it was. Especially in north parts of Spain that hit 35, and it's going to be around 19, 18 next week. Really big drop in many of the places. Here, from 31, 32 degrees, we will drop to 25, 26. So it's quite a big shift as well for us locals. And for the visitors, it might not be as bad since it's still gonna be quite warm. But for us in the mornings and in the evenings, it already will be slightly more chilly, especially very early in the morning, first hour, when bringing kids to school. So quite a big changes happening. Last days of heat in Benidorm, and we're off to an authentic autumn weather. This year it happened quite fast, honestly, but if it's gonna be sunny, it's still gonna be very nice. Heartbreak bar, Heartbreak bar and a pub. Very good atmosphere, always very healthy atmosphere. Each time we pass through here, people are laughing, having a good time. It's nice music. It's just a nice place to be for all those who are fans of this type of decoration. The White Lion here nearby, they have a lot of offers, by the way, bucket deals, offers for cocktails, 2-for-1, happy hours, etc. Plenty of things where to choose from. Penelope Beach Club, quite empty now. It's going to be busy in the evening. It's mostly packed up during nighttime because it is technically a club. Five Guys, not too busy right now. A lot of people are enjoying their day at the beach, I suppose. This is what's happening in Benidorm right now towards the second half of September already. A few more days and regular plus 24, 25 degrees will be back to our region. Thank you for accompanying us in today's video, and we'll see you tomorrow in a brand new video here. Goodbye.